trusting in you, Lord God, trusting in you, trusting in you, Lord God, trusting in you. When I was in trouble, Lord, you brought me through. So I'm trusting in you, Lord God, trusting in you. Oh, yes, I am. Oh, what's your name? Everybody join us. Trusting in you, Lord. Come on. Trusting in you. Everybody say, trusting in you, Lord. Trusting in you. When I was in trouble. Yes, Lord. Oh, my Lord. Trusting in you, Lord. Trusting in you. Come on, everybody. Put your hands together, say, oh.
Hey, my people, good afternoon. You are welcome to today's analysis again. I want to say it's a privilege to have you again once again, and I'm so excited to see you again to do our analysis together. But before we do that, I want us to take a look at our analysis for last week. I think I made some analysis last week about what is going to happen on USDJPY. And as you can see that we made this analysis last week. I think it should be Wednesday. Yeah, it should be Wednesday. And you can see what the market has already done concerning this. So you can see that we said the market is going to break this counter trend. And if the market is unable to break this by coming down for ladder last week, that we are going to draw another counter trend. So this is another counter trend that we drew here. You can see that the market was unable to break this. There was a little break here, but it pushed back to that trend line, and there was a movement to upside. So let's calculate what we have been able to achieve from this particular market for last week. So let me pick the ruler, which is the measurement. Don't forget, here this is where I said we are going to put our entry. So let's calculate the profit. So if we have used 0.01, that's 0.01, you have seen like 96 pips, approximately 96 pips, or let's say 100 pips. You have seen like 100 pips approximately for that last week alone. So then let's see to date what we have been able to gather. So approximately on this particular currency pair where we set our entry, we are seeing 193 pips approximately. So let's go back here. So we have seen approximately 194 pips on this particular trade. For how many hours? Let's say the hours. Let's check the hours. Let's check the hour. This for how many hours? Between Friday and Monday, which is today. So you are seeing, so that's 3 days. 3 days. So between Friday and today, I've seen. So let me go to a lower time frame so that we'll be able to calculate it in hours. So the lower time frame, 1 hour. This 1 hour time frame. So let's pick the ruler again. Here's our entry. Okay. So within 2 days, 23 hours. So we have been able to achieve this. So see what we risk. We risk 148, 143 to achieve 194 pips. So it is a very good trade for us. It's a very good trade. Depending on your lot size, you know how much you'll have make for the last week. So it is very good for you to continue to watch my video on my analysis to earn more on this market. So we are going to do our analysis today on this same uh, currency pair, because the currency pair that I love so much. I like to trade USDJPY, so I know the way it moves. So that's why I don't usually trade most currency pairs. So as a forex trader, it's very good that you stick to, though you can trade so many trades, you can pick so many currency pair to trade, but it's very good for you to do your analysis on all the trade, but you have to have a major. Now, this is the one that you will be specialized on, the one you will be able to know the way the market moves, the way the market reacts, and the way the market make its move. So it's very good for you to understand that concept as a trader. It's not about just picking go today, trade this, trade this, trade this. No, you end up having analysis paralysis because you'll be confused. But if you stick to a particular currency pair like this, you're able to say, okay, this is what I did on this place. This is what the market will do at a particular time. This is what the market is going to, this is where this market usually reacts when there is news. All those things are very, very important as a forex trader to understand. So let me start my analysis today. Let me go to higher time frame. I will still leave all those drawings there because they are still very useful. They are still very useful. They are still very, very useful. They are still very useful. Okay, let me remove this particular counter trend line. Okay, as does what we asked to be. Okay, remove all this. So we are going to make our analysis today. So these are the major area and zone. So you are able to identify the major area and the major zone. So let me identify this as well. Pick shape. Okay, you can see that there's a particular area here that the market is reacting to. So you need to know what to do in this place as well. So it is very important that market usually reacts this area, because you can see from here that there is always a reaction here. So this place is very, very area of concern for us. So we need to take note of that place. So it's a very important area. So that place that I drew my put my this rectangular shape is a very good area of resistance, which we need to take note of. So let me finish the setup here. Then if the market is able to break that area, here is going to be our next area. There is going to be our next area. There is going to be our next area. So let me go to daily time frame, which is day time frame. This is it. Don't forget, I said the market wants to create an head and shoulder pattern. I want to create an head and shoulder pattern on uh on 4 hours. So let's go back to a daily time frame to see what is happening here. So still the market is still on that uh verge of completing the head and shoulder. You can see this is the right wing, this is the edge. There's a break here. Just continue like this. So the market is still continuing in this upward direction down to this place. So here is going to be our area of take profit, the last take profit. Let me change it to let me change it to green. Let's still maintain the green. So our entry for the week. So here is going to be our entry. I'll change this to blue. Blue. That's going to be our entry. Then the first take profit. The first take profit. The first take profit. Let me change the entry to black so that you're not going to be confused. A black. Let me pick the black. Okay. So our entry, this is going to be the first take profit. Then here is going to be the second take profit. And our stop loss is going to be here. Here is going to be our stop loss. Here is going to be our stop loss. Stop loss. Okay. So here is going to be our stop loss. So let me pick this SL. Sorry. SL. Let me make it capital letter. SL. There will always be a reaction. Always. The market is going to react. So don't expect that it's going to just continue the uptrend. No. There's going to be a break. So let me put our entry. So let me go back and put where we're going to enter this trade. This is a real line. So there must be a break in this place. Let it be aligned with the previous one. So that's our entry. I'll change it to black. Black. So SL, let me change it to red because that's the stop loss. Then our take profit, no entry, is going to be black. Here is going to be our entry. Then take profit TP1. Here. So the second one is going to be here. We are going to put the second one here. So the second one is going to be somewhere here. TP2. 2. This is the second take profit. It is very important that you come back and check our analysis. And if we are wrong, this is what is going to happen. You can see that If this market comes in another direction, so this is what is going to happen is finally break this and come down to this place. So I need another thing to here. So this is what is going to happen. So I've been able to finish our setup for today, 4 hours. This 4 hour. So this is what we are going to do today. I want to thank you for your time. Thank you very much for your time. I'm going to talk to you soon. So it is important that you continue to follow my analysis for more uh, for more trading setup. So thank you very much for your time. I will talk to you soon. I'll talk to you soon.